Hello, I'm Patrick from Instant Technologies. In this quick video demo, I'll be covering how Chime v5 has helped support multi-language service desks. Right now, we are taking a look at the home page, which can be converted to any language. Each of the options listed here bring you to FAQ articles that have been created in Chime and can help resolve common issues people run into before they need to get help from the service desk. Next, I'm jumping into a chat. This is a fully customizable web client, so any look and feel elements that you see here can be updated to fit your service desk. Here I'm picking the Spanish option, and the AI assist is going to get a chance to help provide some support for me. The AI model has been trained using FAQ content relevant to my question for a VPN reset, and will cite those FAQ items when returning back an answer. I can even click on the links to see the full FAQ they came from. The AI assist in most cases would help me resolve my issue, and I can indicate I am all set by clicking this button on the left here. But in cases where it doesn't, I would be able to select the Route to Live Agent option instead. Once I choose that option, I'll get a message asking me to wait, and after a while, I'll get connected to a live agent. Now that the live agent has joined, we would be able to chat and get my initial issue resolved. If you'd like to learn more information, you can visit our site at chimev5.com, and hope you have a nice day. Thank you.